This is a construction of a bridge on Route 50, just east of Fairfax City, Virginia, on the way to Washington, D.C. The whole point of this seems to be flood control and to make the road through this less susceptible to flooding. Like in 2018, we had a problem here, I think. Very interesting site.